Hello, fellow marketers. I'm Brian Bowie, and welcome to another episode of Directive R&D. In today's lab, it's going to be all about connected TV, also known as CTV, and running advertising campaigns through this channel. A lot of our clients come to us looking for different ways to get in front of their ICP and different paid media channels to advertise to them. So we decided to explore connected TV as a great option based on various benefits that we're going to walk through. So we've been testing this new campaign format for about a month now and wanted to share some early insights or early findings based on what we've seen so far. So without further ado, I have a small deck that I wanted to share. First off, what is CTV? So connected TV consists of any type of TV that can be connected to the internet that can stream digital video at a viewer's convenience. So think a smart TV, Apple TV, Roku, where they have apps like Hulu or ESPN within their platform where you can stream directly through an app instead of typical channel through a cable or TV provider. So becoming more and more popular nowadays, and you see so many different apps like Disney Plus coming out on these, and a lot of them offer advertisement placements. So we were running these ads through StackAdapt as a programmatic advertising platform. They had different advantages for us in terms of B2B targeting using data providers like Dun & Bradstreet on their third-party side. And we could also use first-party database insights and contact lists and account lists to create audiences, plus retargeting within the platform as well. So with our approach, we wanted to test the first-party data to see how that would do, as well as third-party using their own built-in targeting. Some awesome benefits that kind of led us to wanting to run these type of ads that are similar to commercials is the premium placements, so on places like ESPN, Fox, CBS, Sling TV, and a lot more. I think hundreds of more different placements that you could look at. Another big benefit, like a commercial, viewability and ad completion is really good. You're not competing against other media placements within like say a display ad when you have banner ads everywhere. And typically viewers are watching the whole thing. Whether you're catching their attention, that's a whole nother subject. But generally, they're watching ads all the way through like a typical commercial. We have a 1-minute ad that we narrowed down to that we're running through StackAdapt. And you can check it out on our YouTube. We're trying to speak to SaaS marketers to show who we are and what we do. And highlight some quick wins, but I won't make you watch the whole thing. Go ahead and check that out if you'd like to see kind of what we're running with. Cool. So wanted to share some early results in case it inspires you to test this as well. With the two campaign types we were testing, and we noticed that view completion rates were pretty much identical. As you would expect, the third-party targeting had much greater reach, impression, and view volume. But it had lower view to website visit rate. How they calculate views, I think, is when people log in using their own account, and StackAdapt is able to identify that user heading to our website through that same account. They're able to measure what they call a conversion, but it's really just a website visit based on if they've seen the ad before and if they've been to your website. So another result we saw is that we got some direct anecdotes from leads that saw our commercial, but they came from the first party list and not the third party list. So if our main KPI was just pure impressions, volume, and not much engagement, we would have saw better results from the third party audience list. But if we wanted to track engagement a little bit more to see if more people were actually heading to our website or it generated any type of action, we saw better results so far with the first party audience. And nothing's better than sometimes getting qualitative feedback that you can point to directly. We had a lead find us a week after seeing the ad, and we hit him with a LinkedIn ad. And he noted this exact scenario where they bought a smart TV about 6 months ago, randomly turned it on the other day, saw our ad, and then saw our LinkedIn ad about a week later. So that kind of surround sound type of approach, where they saw the TV and ad, and then they got another ad on a different channel, is something that they wanted and was a good anecdote for us to work off of. So Wanted to share those quick highlights in case it inspires you to test this channel. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.